Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm sharing a tour of my sister's family room and guest room, and a little bit of birthday behavior. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy a little fun with me and my family. Vlogmas Day 23.
Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring to me. Tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down the chimney, broad and black, with your pack you'll creep. All the stockings you will find hanging in a row. Mine will be the shortest one. You'll be sure to know. Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled. Nellie wants a storybook, one she hasn't read. Now I think I'll leave to you what to give a rest. Choose for me, dear Santa Claus, what you think is best.
Hands up. Take that way, take that way. Take your body, you know what you can.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man?
I hope you enjoyed these room tours and that they gave you inspiration. Thank you, Denise, for allowing me to share your beautiful home with my audience. And happy birthday to my girl, Angelique. We had a great time celebrating your birthday. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.